Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on change profile picture on Twitch application. So how to change profile picture on Twitch application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Twitch app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Twitch app. Next, tap the settings icon at the top left. And appears like this. Tap Account menu. Tap Edit Profile. Tap Profile Picture. And select the image that you want to use. So that's it, tutorial how to change profile picture on Twitch app. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.